Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you what Odu Ifa Iwori Meji talks about. Before I jump straight into it, you need to first of all understand what Iwori Meji means. To simply put, Iwori Meji means transformation. But in this case, it is talking about spiritual transformation, your destiny, and your passion for what you do. As you all know, Ifa is a spiritual wisdom given to us by Olodumare to solve our spiritual problems and to understand what is difficult to understand in our spiritual understanding of what is needed to be revealed to us. Now, let us dive deep into what Iwori Meji talks about in Odu Ifa. In the Odu Ifa Iwori Meji, whoever this Odu appears to during an Ifa divination section, it is passing among other essays known as stanzas and important message to the person, that is the client, who consults the Ifa priest known as Babalawo. The message says that the bearer in front of the Ifa priest should take his or her life serious, as he or she is very close to success, achievement, transformation, upliftment, and breakthrough in what he or she does for a living. Such person should be consistent in what he or she does and should not be distracted by jumping from one job to another. But a sacrifice is needed, which would be prescribed by the Ifa priest. You may be wondering why sacrifice is important or necessary in Ifa religion. Sacrifice is needed to plead with Iyami, also known as Eleye, to let us live our life effectively. This is why Babalawos are used to this saying, Ẹ̀yin tó láyé ìbà, meaning the owner of this world, I salute you. Fine, Olodumare owns this world. He owns the universe, but he gives the authority to àwọn tó láyé, that is Iyami. If you are interested in knowing more about Iyami, a video is available for you to watch on that at the end screen of this video. So, Iwori Meji, which takes the third position in the order of the 16 Odu Ifa, speaks unrighteousness. According to a story in this Odu, in the time of Orunmila, when he was in the business of cultivating a seed that is known for its great medicinal values, also known to be an alternative source of income. Before Orunmila started this business, he went to the king of the town to advise him that he is the king of the town about the idea of this cultivation. However, the king rejected the idea. Orunmila decided to go for it alone. So, when it was time to harvest the seed, Orunmila discovered that someone has been coming to steal from the seed. After some time passed by, Orunmila went to consult Ifa, and Odu Ifa Iwori Meji was revealed. The outcome of this Odu says that Orunmila should perform ebo, meaning sacrifice, and that under no condition he should not expose those involved in the stealing, and should not publicly disgrace the perpetrator because of its negative effect it might cause to the community. Orunmila heeded this advice. He performed the sacrifice, and he continued with his farming. Behold, after a short period of time, it was discovered that the king of the town was the thief, together with some of his high-ranking chiefs. This story led to this stanza of Iwori Meji from Orunmila, which says that I have found the thieves stealing on my farmland. I have identified the thieves, but I cannot mention their names. This story teaches us that those in position of authority should be people of integrity. I hope this has passed some messages across to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.